Let me guess, you're probably ripping a Geek Bar, Muha, or Breeze. And if you are, don't worry, this is not one of those videos where I try to convince you to quit. That nasty cough, you got the shortness of breath, that shit only gets worse, so you gotta start detoxing your lungs. I've been taking these gummies every day for the last 2 weeks, and the shit that I've coughed up is actually disgusting. So the gummies have mullein leaf in them, which basically just breaks out all that gunk in your lungs and forces you to cough it up. Can't lie, has low-key made ripping the Benjamin a little easier, but I've also just been breathing better in general. And that's honestly what's nice about these. They're not just for smokers, so if you're just congested or trying to clear out your sinuses, you can still take these. The thing that does suck is they've been going stupid viral, so they're selling out like every other day. I'll try to leave the orange shopping cart somewhere down here. If you still see it, grab some of these before they're gone.